Hello, good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming with a video of AutoCAD. This is just a sorry. First of all, I want to say please subscribe and press the bell icon button for a new update of my channel. And then we start our today exercise in AutoCAD. Okay, so let's start. Uh, First of all, I want to say this is just practice drawing, not too much difficult. This is for beginners, for little bit uh, advanced, little bit beginning, middle in we can say that this is in middle term, middle drawing. Okay, let's start. Okay, first of all, R57, R45, R42. You can make first of all make center lines. Okay, R sorry, I didn't check the R57. Okay, let's make R57. Make it center line. Okay, then R42, R45. 45 center line, R42. Okay, done. First in this drawing, first of all, we have to make angle of 30 degree, complete 30 degree in 15 equal distance, 15 degree equal distance. Okay, let's start. Okay, command of angle is Excel, enter A, enter angle. So this is 15 degree away from 90 degree. So this is 90 minus subtract 15, 75 degree. Okay, that's okay. This is 50 degree and let's mirror it. Sorry, I okay, done. Please check it. 30. Okay, done, clear. Then we have to make two circle of dia 10 on distance of 30 degree, 30 degree. Okay, let's start. First Excel, enter A, enter 30 degree. Okay, then Excel enter A, enter 60 degree. Okay, done. This is, please trim this. Sorry. I think this is not mirrored properly. So let's extend TR, done. C, enter. We check diet and okay, done. Okay, please make it center line or a center line. Okay, done. Now mirror the we have to make 4 sets of 2 circle of diet 10. Okay, and 4 number of 4 angle of 30 degree. Okay, done. Let's take array command. Array, first of all select it, array, folder array, sorry, select center point, select item, number of item 4, done. Any issue here? No. Okay, then select this array, center point, number of item 4, done. Trim these entities. I think I select different center point, so we select once again, otherwise we can make it array, number of item 4. Yes, now it is okay. Please select trim. Okay, please check there is 20 dia circle. We left 20 dia circle, 20 dia or R20, sorry. Okay, and please dimension it. 10, 57, 45, 42. Okay, angle 30. Okay, done. Then our drawing is completed. Okay, we can't. Okay, then this our drawing is completed. So guys, please do practice, and if there is any problem, then please feel free to call me anytime or any type of help you needed. Then guys, I want to say that please subscribe and share my channel, so I can motivate to give you best videos for your designing purpose, for your learning engineering uh, technologies. And after all, thanks for watching the video. Thanks guys.